My people, how now day? Welcome to today Ubugas News. My name is Sirime A.U. David, the Aramian one of the universe. My people, today we get some bogus news. Yes, not just one. We got some bogus news we want to tell you now. In case you never subscribe before we enter inside, make you just you know now you know how we do it. We just subscribe so that as we put the thing, you just get them sharp. And another reason why you will subscribe is say we get so many varieties when we show for this our channel. We do film, we do comedy, we talk about life or in general, you know. So you understand that, so that we don't get us when they put out. My people, today we get so many things we want to talk. We want to talk about the state of the nation under the watch of President Buhari. Understand? The country will be say we call Nigeria high B. This period will be say President Buhari become the president of Nigeria, because we know say matter you don't deal where President Buhari became the president of Nigeria in 2015. Yes, we there aware say before he come, so katakata day say things don't really do well. Those people when they call Boko Haram, they don't throw some kind of you know, that some kind of weapon, say they destroy things. Now, that's the time for Buhari, President Goodluck Jonathan. They kidnap some students. One school they kidnap. So when they kidnap the students, this one they waiting Buhari government take campaign. Then they campaign. They tell us so many things when they say we want here. They told us say they want come do what they call change. So they want to change the system from the bad government of President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. Say they want to give us good governance. So the matter na be that one. Although they really tell us say change, they make a talk with it. They talk. They talk and say change. They don't tell us say the kind of change when they want to give us. So we, the Nigerian, we didn't naive. We not come ask them what type of change that they talk about. So we are the corner make I can tell them the changes when they say actually they happen, because now waiting they talk. That is the reason why we say anything when it happen, if we talk, they insult us. They call us name, they call say we are unpatriotic. They say now we be this, now we be that. Now it can't be say even the media. Now the media that they put the problem for their neck. Say now the media now we they make the matter worse. Say make the media not they talk again. So the matter no get grand be this one. Also make we suffer analyze them how the matter be under the watch of President Muhammadu Buhari. So the matter now be this one. As I talked before, in 2015 when he took over, small katakata he did. One school now they don't kidnap students. That is the time we say bring back our guests. So they kidnap them until today. Even when they come power, they don't rescue the student. But after that incident, that school, but many schools can come up after that one. They come in all time. Buhari, they don't kidnap students school more than 7 times. They don't even utilize so many of the students when they say they kidnap. This very one now when they say they kidnap, they don't come up for the secondary school now, don't enter university, they kidnap students. So we don't say and say for that area, it don't matter, it don't worst. Now we can enter into
within the last 2 weeks, we have lost more than 70 people between the local governments of Makurdi, Guma, and Gwe West. Just alone. In addition to what you're seeing here today, many are in hospital, apart from the 6 that were killed, and 1 died in hospital. So that is 7 people died, the others are still in the hospital. My deputy is going there now. Mr. President must rise up. He's the president of Federal Republic of Nigeria, and over the 250 nationalities that are in this country, Mr. President is their president. They voted him. We all voted him. He's our president. He has taken oath of office to secure the country and provide security for lives and property. This is unacceptable. This cannot continue. Mr. President cannot continue to be aloof. Mr. President must rise up to address the nation himself, not Garba Shehu or any of his assistants. Mr. President must tell us where we are going in this country. This is too much. We are being overstretched, and this is not acceptable. The body language, the action and inaction of Mr. President shows that he's only the president of Fulani people.
I will never reach that matter when we say editor just put so, but since the editor don't put on, I forget that for myself, I go talk about the editor the fast forward. Since the editor the fast forward, make I just see follow up. So when I say that something happened when he make the governor Otto to talk about that issue, say Buhari is the president of Fulani, not the president of Nigeria. True, when we don't watch and say what they happen, so because you say, it be like say President Buhari, now true president of Fulani, na be because anything when they say they happen to Fulani, Muhammadu Buhari, in no day take am serious at all. But if now another people, he go take am serious because he never reach anything when he be say they happen. He quickly don't call IPOB, say they be terror. But the Fulani herdsmen today with the tech and tell them make it call the terror, you know we call the terror. If we call the terror, they tell us why we call the terror. So why we not go say the president of Muhammadu Buhari is the president of Fulanis? Now the Fulanis are carrying AK-47, AK-49, AK-40, AK-45, AK-40N, all the 40 and 40s when it is inside. Because the last time when we check now, we discover say these people waiting get for mine now or waiting they don't try to carry now AK-255 because they don't upgrade say they want the scatterlize or scatterbash everything when they happen for the country. So the matter when it take ground now we call them check and we constantly say the matter it don't work to the essence the Northern when it be say they fed they do before they don't move from Northern the matter don't enter east. Make we just see so many of the things when they happen for east, from Imo State, from Anambra, every place in the country. Now people for the country they know they sleep close eye again. Anybody when they sleep for the country now, they go close half of the one eye. You know they close the one eye finish because they first they talk and say now one eye is now they close till they sleep. Now they close half of the one eye because the other eye, if you open well, you open and finish, the other one close, you not go even see well. Because so many things they happen for the country. Anywhere where you do that, the country not is safe. Because of all this one, and many people don't come out for the country, they talk say they need their own country. They need their own nation. Not only Biafra they talk about it now. Yoruba need their own, Igbo need their own, the Benin need their own, the Ishan need their own, yes, Ishans need their own, they need their own country, yes. Many people don't they talk and say they need their own country. But that's why say that they talk this one, the thing, you know, they shake the country, federal government. You know, they shake them. They don't want to do what they right because they don't make up their mind. In fact, people don't talk and say this government, when we get now, they're not ready for power before they give the power. Now, true, not true. Because APC not ready to carry power before they give them this power. Now, make out, we say all these things when they happen for the country. All of them they happen. Now they come to Issa Patani issue. Issa Patani, we don't discover and say Issa Patani true he gets sympathies for terror. In the one way or the other, they sponsor all those people when they say Boko Haram and the rest people when they say that they cause mayhem, that they destroy the country, that they kill people. Then they use one way, small way till they support them. Even the American people put them for watch list. Say this man na sympathizer of terror. We can't wait to make our president talk. Until as mean they talk to you now until we do this recording. president himself never come out to talk except his old age. Now, and the people when we say that they work for now that they come out, they tell us now what the president talk with this one, now what the president talk with this one. Say president see endorse Issa Patani. Say Issa Patani, he must stay inside government. Even when the Nigerians say they don't need them, may Issa Patani come up for the executive. Say the kind position when he be say that man the whole now very sensitive position. Man when he be say he get this sympathy to this terror, he not supposed to be the man when he go they take care of the database of Nigeria, because they can pick anybody and just say Mr. A and B that's also location at the day. You just go there and make sure say chaka boom it happened to the Mr. A and B. Have that kind man will call the man come out by himself say true they supported them before. And that time, because say still they young, still they small. Now we can check them. The young age when he be say in the talk so say even used to 45 years they senior me as I did so as I did get it but now that time when he say they young, he used 45 years they senior me for the age when I did now. Because that time, no ask me my age don't matter now. Because that time when he be say they do the thing, he was 30-something years old. How can the 30-something years old, about 32 to 33 years old, say they young when he be say he talk the matter when he talk? He don't read all the book when he supposed to read finish. He don't even become imam. The compulsion for that too. Now we still dey watch for President Muhammadu Buhari make he come talk about that issue. He not be come talk out. I don't know whether Nigeria president and photocopy president na be. Is he a portrait? Is he a portrait? When he be say no go talk, we dey wait for him, make the thing come out from him mouth. Why he be say anything when they do, President Muhammadu Buhari no go come out, no go talk. All this one wey dey happen now, na in age, na all of them dey talk. When they from here they call the president. All the governors, in fact, most of the governors, especially the south, the southeast, and some of the west, and some of the even the northern governors, they call you now, and all the citizens, they tell you make it declare state of emergency on security agencies, so that all of us will come down. We will come down. People like us, all of us will come down. We will discuss how the situation for Nigeria will take handle on, how we take tackle the security agency. No, we say Neikaba, you know go do. Till now, you know grade one, and the country they move from one point to the other. My people, for now when you be say una no President Buhari, we dey tell una now, because I know say the word when we dey talk na one ear na dey enter. Una when be say una dey talk to una, make una go close to ear, tell am say we say this one when e dey do, it go cause problem o, wahala go dey, because so many people don't even dey predict and say the next 6 months Nigeria no go dey again. They not even dey wait for 2023 now, because we dey see that Abu the contest for 2023. Make we just leave that matter for now. We dey tell the president say now make you do wetin right, because Nigerians they don't move. They don't brutalize Nigeria. They don't shortalize Nigeria. People are dying every day. President Buhari, Muhammadu Buhari, we dey call you for AU David TV now. The Ogboge news when he did this time. Say, may you declare state of emergency on insecurity, so that all of us will come together, we can discuss how the matter will be. I don't talk. If you like, look at say you suspend me like as you take suspend channel television because they interview IPOB. They just simply because they interview IPOB member, will not suspend them. Say me them pay 5 million naira. I don't know where that country they go. That is the reason why the PC what do they call them? Twitters and every other company, the automobile company, all of them, instead make them waka come Nigeria. They waka come. As they enter Nigeria, they see how the matter they do. They say, no, we can't stay in this place. We are looking for a country. It's a country that we are looking for that we will establish our business. Now they do turn. They come go to Ghana. Now come back say that we cause them. Make una repair the country, fix the country. If na one make the country still remain, if not, we go divide the country just as we want the country to be. My people, And so we see today news we constantly we just can't talk about us more the state of the country. True of the matter, they say the country, they pass, be careful. Things don't need that borrow for our Bodo country. For people when it be say, when I never subscribe, make not subscribe. We just constantly we talk about this one small, and so we take on. If you never subscribe so that all the other news and all of them you're gonna get out. Until we meet again, we could have been blessed.